Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Google Chrome Dark Theme. Let's begin. So once you open up your Google Chrome web browser, you're going to go to the top right corner, then select the three vertical dots, and then you're going to go all the way to the bottom, then select Settings. After selecting Settings, you go to the left side and look for something which says Appearance. After selecting Appearance, you're going to look for something which says Theme under the heading where it says Appearance. So you're going to select it. Now here you're going to have the options either to use the light mode, dark, or device. Now light mode is going to make it like white in the background, and if you want to make it dark, you're going to go to the middle here and then select dark. Now if I select device, it's going to change the theme based on my Windows appearance. So if I selected dark mode for my computer, especially for my Windows, then it's going to basically put it on dark mode because of my dark theme of my Windows. But if my Windows is on light mode, then it's going to automatically choose light. So if you don't want it to change it automatically, then you can just simply go to dark and it's going to keep it that way regardless of your theme on Windows. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and help the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.